Welcome and thank you for joining us here on Crypto Exchangers Club. Here today, we are going to be using BTC to buy a stable coin. We're going to be buying USDC or USDcoin, and then we're going to be trading that USD coin for Litecoin. Um, the purpose of this lesson here today is to show new students how to utilize the trading features of Binance, how to find the target markets or the market pairs that you're looking for, and affect a normal trade under um, everyday circumstances. So without further ado, we're going to get right into it here today. I'm here inside my dashboard. For those of you who are familiar with Binance, you can tell right away that the interface has changed. You see up here in the top right hand corner, it says old website. Now, you're free to go ahead and click the old website button. However, I personally am intrigued by the new interface and the new features that my account now has. With that said, the new website, however, if you are familiar with the old website, it's not that much different. Things are pretty much in the same places. So we're going to go under our wallet and we're going to click balance. Today I'm going to be taking just a very little bit of Bitcoin and I'm going to be trading it for a stable coin, which I believe is an essential skill that every trader must have in cryptocurrency. So now we have the page loading up, and next to the estimated value, I'm going to go click on the eyeball to make everything visible. Here, I am going to be trading the BTC coin, which is my second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth coin down. I'm going to go all the way to the right and click on trade. When I do, the various Bitcoin to stablecoin pairs show up automatically. So I'm going to go ahead and click BTC slash USDC. Now, while we have the interface loading for the BTC USDC market, um, I will let's go ahead and take a review of the page right here, just real quick. We have our trading chart in the top left hand corner. We have open orders, which we have none right now. We have the order books here. You can see the coin, the amounts that are being sold here in red, and the people willing to buy, and their price right here. And this big box right over here is going to be the general order book, which will show you the order of sales in whichever order they come in or out of the system. Now, I am currently holding BTC. You can see here on the sell side, you can see I have 0.0025938 BTC. So I am first going to make a limit order. Now make sure that you click this first tab here, and we're going to click limit, and we're going to go to the sell side. Now I could specify an amount, a specific amount of Bitcoin that I'd like to sell, but for our purposes today, I don't have very much Bitcoin. I'm just going to go ahead and click the 100%. And that'll signify 100% of all of my Bitcoin holdings right now. I'm going to turn into, and it'll show you right there, the total would be $23.74 in USDC coin. Now, the price that I've chosen to sell BTC at is at 91.5655, which is most likely at the time that I open up this page, the price that Bitcoin was trading at. If you look up here, you'll see the current price is 91.56 and 79 cents. And that's pretty close. So I'm going to go ahead and click the sell button. And we have this message, limit sell order created. Excellent. Now, I'm going to go right click on Binance because we want to get back to our dashboard. However, right there, that happened so quickly I didn't even have the time to see it. We had the open order right there and it was filled. However, if we click on the order history tab, you can see that I sold BTC at a rate of 91.5655, and the amount and the total that I got out of it and the status of the order. So here we go. So we are now holding, as you can see here, in USDC we have 2374 in USDC. Now, the next thing that I would like to do today is purchase some Litecoin, because we have the Litecoin happening coming up in about 54 days from now, and we are seeing almost daily increases in the price of Litecoin. I'm going to go ahead and buy myself a little bit of Litecoin. I personally watched it go up about $5 in the last 2 days. It is now trading at $138.88. So I'm going to go ahead and click in here in the BTC USDC markets. I have Litecoin as one of my favorites. I have it starred there. I'm going to go ahead and click LTC BTC. This is our market pair. Now, we are going to basically follow the same steps that we did the last time. We would like, except in reverse, we'd like to buy LTC as opposed to sell it. We'd like to buy LTC using, oh, I picked the wrong market. Oh, excuse me. Here I made a mistake here. It's a learning experience, but we want the LTC / USDC market, not the LTC BTC market. Huh. Well, here we go. I think, here we go. LTC, USDC. I'm going to go ahead and star that market and go ahead and click on the LTC, USDC market. So we have Litecoin trading at $139.09, and personally, I like the way this chart is starting to look here. I'm going to go ahead and create a limit order to buy LTC using our USDC funds. And the same way, again, I'm going to click 100% of my USDC. That'll show me the amount of Litecoin that I'm going to buy, which is 0.17070, and the total USDC that will be used. I'm going to check the price one more time. We're matching up. We're just going to go ahead. I'd take a very quick look at the book here, and if we really wanted to buy Litecoin at a specified price, like we wanted to wait for it to go down some, we would go ahead and click the change of price here. However, in today's market, I'm not going to go that much further down. I think I'm just going to go ahead and buy this Litecoin at 139.09. And you saw that here extremely quick. It opened and shut at basically the same moment. If we go and look at our order history, you can see here on the 19th of June, at this time 3:20 or 15:20 hours, the market pair is LTC USDC. The type of order was a limit order, was a buy, and the price was 139.09, and the amount was filled using $23.74 in USDC. So here we're going to take a look. Oops. Like to let that page load, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at our wallet totals. Under wallet, I go ahead and click on balance. And it'll take just one moment for the totals to come up. We click on the eyeball next to estimated value, and that'll show us all the values that we have here. Now, here we have Litecoin, which is now listed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the top. And it shows us the total amount of Litecoin we have, the available balance, and how much of it is being traded at the actual time, which at this time none is, and the approximate value in BTC. So there you have it. We took Bitcoin and we turned it into a stable coin, and then we took that stable coin for the purposes of this lesson and we purchased Litecoin with it. I hope this video was informative. If you like the video content, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe to my video channel for more updates. You can also visit us on the web at cryptoexchangers.club. Thank you very much.